Most people believe that because washing machines are always in contact with water and clothes detergent, then they're always clean. However, this is incorrect. In fact, this household appliance we use so often is constantly moist and traps dirt and other harmful microorganisms that accumulate over time. So what does this mean? It means that your washing machine can both look dirty and be full of mildew, which has a very unpleasant odor. But you don't have to let it reach this point before you do something about it. Cleaning your washing machine regularly will ensure that it stays clean and mildew-free. In today's video, I am going to teach you a simple, cheap way to clean your washing machine. This tip is mainly directed towards washing machines with the door on the front, where all of the dirt and mildew builds up. Here's what you need: 2 glasses of white vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, 1/4 of a glass of water. Begin by removing the rubber band that seals the door, and wipe it clean with a damp cloth, doing the same on the door and drum, removing all visible dust and dirt. Now mix the baking soda with the water, and pour the mixture into the detergent compartment of the machine. Add the vinegar to the drum and start a normal washing cycle using hot water. While the machine does all the work, you can wipe the outside of it, using a soft cloth soaked in a vinegar and hot water mixture. After thoroughly cleaning the entire machine from the outside, wipe it down with a dry cloth. Once the cycle is over, you can clean the inside of the machine with a normal sponge, or some steel wool while the drum is still warm. Clean the drum and the inner corners of the machine and door. Don't forget to also clean the detergent compartment. It is recommended that you do this at least once a month, to keep your machine free of dirt and mildew. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to my channel.